Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So today was not an amazing day. The day started with a rot. Now this is a very usual case, very normal, especially when you are growing succulents or any plant for that matter. Now what was the mistake over here is, remember, as I said, the aquarium sand was not available in the aquarium shops, and even to find the grey sand I had to struggle a bit, and after that I found the grey sand. But unfortunately I had to repot this guy, and I had already done the repotting with very minimum sand that was available with me, and I thought I will do a repotting later on whenever I get hold of the sand. But unfortunately this spot was right at the back and I completely forgot about it, and today when I noticed, it was already too late. I quickly tried to take out the leaves to see if I can save anything, probably the stem, or probably I can do any kind of cutting. But this was not a rot related with watering. It was not overwatered, but the succulent kind of got damaged because of compact soil. So you can see the soil is very, very compact. It's not even going to come out, as you can see. There you go. And that was the biggest mistake. The soil was very, very compact, and this is one of the reason why I say always have a soil mix that is loose, that is porous, well draining. I know I keep saying that, but I made a big mistake of not taking this guy out and repotting it, and it was already too late. The soil was very compact, and due to which we had a casualty this morning, but it's absolutely okay. I think looking on the brighter side, all you people who watch this videos, probably 200-300 people who tend to watch this video, will learn a little bit more how compact soil can damage your succulent, how soil is the most important thing for your succulent. Always have a loose, porous, well draining soil mix. Do not add fertilizers, heavy amount of fertilizers in your soil, otherwise that will again damage the plant, especially people who are from a very humid environment or where the summer temperatures are very high. Fertilizers tend to heat up the soil even more, so we have to be extremely careful. So this one is gone. Nevertheless, we have to check on the others. Probably there are few 2 or 3 pots that do have a soil like this, because I remember I had repotted 2 to 3 pots. Now all I have to do is go and search for those 3 pots. I don't know how I'm going to search, but I'll try my best. Probably I'll use a toothpick to poke and check which soil is compact. That's the reason why I always tend to have a uniform soil mix. A lot of people tend to have different types of soil mixes, but I prefer to have only one type of soil mix, which is a mix of aquarium sand and filtered garden soil. So in this way I am very well, or basically I have a control over my succulents, because everyone has the same type of soil mix. But when you have a case like this, you can see what happens. Other succulents are doing quite well. This soil mix was not right. I should have kind of checked well in advance, but nevertheless this is something that is a part of gardening, so it's okay. This is a normal thing. When you are into gardening, you always come up with such situations, which is absolutely normal. It's not always rainbows and sunshine. You will have those dull days, and that is something that you learn from. So I will go ahead and check the other pots as well. This is the reason why I prefer to have only one soil mix. That's why I didn't buy cinder. People had told me that why don't you grow succulents in cinder, because then it's going to be, some succulents will be in cinder, some succulents will be in aquarium sand. So that is going to be very confusing, because the watering will also change. Cinder would require a little less watering, aquarium sand would require a little bit more watering, and that can get very confusing. So that's why I prefer to have only one type of uniform soil in all of my pots. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have a soil mix that is turning compact, do a regular check. If it needs a change, please do it ASAP, because you never know, one fine day this is how it's going to end up into. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.